Welcome to our YouTube channel Car Circuit Pro and our comprehensive review of the 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power, a compact SUV that seamlessly integrates innovative hybrid technology with contemporary design and advanced features. Let's delve into what sets this vehicle apart in its segment. Design and exterior. The 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power showcases a modern and stylish exterior, marked by bold lines and Nissan's signature V-motion front grille. The updated design includes slim LED headlights and a redesigned rear bumper, enhancing its dynamic appearance. Optional sequential indicators add a touch of sophistication. The vehicle's compact dimensions make it well-suited for urban environments, while its elevated stance provides a commanding presence on the road. Performance and engine specifications. At the heart of the Qashqai e-Power is Nissan's unique hybrid system. This setup comprises a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 116 kilowatts, which functions solely as a generator to charge the 1.8 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery. This battery powers a 140 kilowatts electric motor that drives the front wheels, delivering an output of 190 bhp and 330 Nm of instant torque. This configuration allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 7.9 seconds, reaching a top speed of 170 km per hour. The e-Power system offers the responsive driving experience of an electric vehicle without the need for external charging, achieving a fuel economy of approximately 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Interior features and comfort. Inside, the Qashqai e-Power offers a premium and comfortable environment. The cabin features high-quality materials, including optional Alcantara trim, and a user-friendly layout. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system serves as the centerpiece, equipped with Google built-in technology, providing access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Google Play. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless smartphone integration. The digital instrument cluster offers clear and customizable displays of essential driving information. Practicality is enhanced by ample storage solutions and comfortable seating for all occupants. Safety and driver assistance. Nissan prioritizes safety, and the Qashqai e-Power is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The vehicle also features an upgraded around-view monitor system with a 3D function, providing multiple external camera viewpoints to assist in maneuvering. These features contribute to the Qashqai's 5-star rank-up safety rating. Pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Qashqai e-Power is available in multiple trim levels to cater to diverse preferences and budgets. In Australia, the e-Power variant is priced starting at $51,590, offering features such as the e-Power system, premium front grille, and advanced infotainment options. The TL e-Power variant is available at $52,365, while the N-Design e-Power variant is priced at $54,365. Each variant builds upon the previous with additional comfort and technology features. Release date and availability. The 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power was launched in Australia on November 3, 2023. And is currently available at Nissan dealerships nationwide. Prospective buyers are encouraged to visit their local dealership to explore the various configurations and schedule a test drive. In summary, the 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power stands out in the compact SUV segment by offering a harmonious blend of innovative hybrid technology, stylish design, and advanced features. Its unique e-Power system delivers the responsive driving experience of an electric vehicle without the need for external charging, making it a practical choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on longer journeys, the Qashqai e-Power provides a comfortable and engaging driving experience. The maximum function or highlight of the 2025 Nissan Qashqai e-Power is its full electric motor drive powered by a series hybrid system, which provides the smoothness and responsiveness of an electric vehicle without ever needing to plug in. Here's what makes this the standout feature: 190 horsepower, 140 kilowatts, electric motor delivers strong, instant acceleration, 330 Nm of torque available immediately for responsive performance, especially in city driving. 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine acts purely as a generator, ensuring the battery stays charged. No plug-in charging required, just fill it with petrol and drive like a regular car. Exceptional fuel efficiency, around 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Combining power and economy. This setup means the Qashqai e-Power gives drivers the top benefits of electric mobility: a quiet operation, instant torque, and smooth acceleration, with the familiar range and refueling ease of a traditional hybrid. It's a smart bridge between petrol and fully electric vehicles.